An old man was selling eggs on the street. A woman got out of her car and came to her and asked him, "How much do you sell eggs?" The lady asked. The old salesman replied, 50 cents for an egg, ma'am. She said, "I'm gonna take 6 eggs for $2.50 or I'm going." The old seller replied, "Buy them at the price you want, ma'am." Maybe it is a good start for me because I couldn't sell a single egg today and I need to live. She bought her eggs at the price and left with the feeling she won. She entered her elegant car and went to an elegant restaurant with her friend. She and her friend ordered what they wanted. They ate a little and left a lot of what they have asked for. So they paid the check. It was $400. The ladies gave $500 and asked owner of the chic restaurant to keep the rest as a tip. The story might seem pretty normal to the owner of the luxury restaurant, but very unfair to the egg vendor. Why do we always act strong when we buy from the poor? And why are we generous with those who don't need our generosity? Once I read somewhere, my father used to buy simple goods from poor people at great price. And even if he didn't need them, sometimes he used to pay more for them. I wondered about that and asked him why he did it. Then my father replied, "It is an act of charity wrapped with dignity." Spend money to make character, but do not spend character to make money.